Now I'm going to put this in. This just pushes back in. Just pushes back in. Like that. Hi, I'm Tangles. This is my garage and this is my car. Now the car is for sale and I've got to put the carpets back in and reinstate the interior, roof liner, plastic parts here, all of it. So yeah, gonna go grab some tools and start the job. Okay, so to get the roof liner in, can you see the roof liner?
I can see part of it.
To get this roof liner in, I just held it up on that, and then I went shopping and bought some trim clips. I only need the 3, 1, 2 and 3. I only got 1 screw in that, just to hold it up. And now I'm going to put this in. This just pushes back in. Just pushes back in. Like that. Voila. Put the visors back in, and then the plastic trim will hold up the rest of it. One of these. So they just clip in and align on that, and then the screw goes through the top, like so. This one. And that just expands the plastic in there so it can't come out. Voila. Now the other side. Alright, as you can see, driver seat's out now. Get to work on the centre console. That should be all I need to remove. I'll have to loosen some of the centre piece there, but shouldn't have to undo it entirely. Oh no, undo the footrest. Because I'm an idiot, these have to come off as well. They just clip out. Obviously because the carpet goes in and then these clip over the top. So yeah. Alright. Let's see if we can get this back in. I can't remember how I got it out. Brute force mostly, I think. If you recall, I actually cut it. I can't remember if I put it on the footage, but I cut it up sort of under the dashboard there because I couldn't get the dashboard apart far enough to slide it out. Looks like a good starting position, doesn't it? So I've already undone this. So in theory, we should be able to slide this all forward underneath that as required. So this is the bit that I cut on that side, which I'll have to feed back through. It's looking pretty good. Starting to. There'll be a few things like that I forget and miss. Oh, seatbelts do have to come out for the carpet. Or do they? Yes, they do. The carpet goes behind that. Isn't much neater as it would be to run the PVC under the carpet there. If anyone ever wants to undo it, I have to pull the carpet out. So I won't do that. That's got to come out to get the carpet under the panel there. Then I've got to feed up underneath. Oh, the throttle stop's got to come out. So starting at the back, let's do these seat belts to get those sorted out, so I don't have to worry about them again. Of course you'd drop the washer wall, wouldn't you? Here we go. So may have to come back undone for the plastic trim as well. In fact, I'm almost certain of it now. Let's just do that up like that. Do the other side. Actually, what I might do is just trim these off. They tuck up under there on both sides and I'll be fine. Need a razor blade. So, just cut that bit off. That should be enough. There's still plenty to slip in up under it. Still might be too much. Oh no, there we go, it's starting to move. Okay. That looks something like I remember when it came out. Just needs to go under the trim there, and there, and this corner will be done. Have a look at the other side. Pedal stop for the accelerator. That's that in. So let's pull this corner panel out, tuck it in, put the footrest in, that in, and a seat, and we'll be done. From memory, pulls forward effectively. There's nothing left on the back to hold it. There we go. That clip there, I think. That's the one. Okay, that's one part in. Now the footrest. So if we get the top one started first. The last piece. Driver's side complete. Before I can say driver's side complete, put these bad boys back. Alright, so got a bit too dark last night. That side's sorted. Now I just got to take this panel off, tuck the carpets in there, put these seats in, and then that's the front half done. Then got to do the back and then all the plastic trim as well. Plastic trim may be an issue. I'm not sure if I've got all these clips, but we'll find out soon enough. For now, let's just get this off. It's a 10mm nut, same as the other side, except this side's got the nut on it. So for anyone who's wondering, that's where the ECU goes in the Skyline, in the 32 and the 33. I don't know about the 34. I assume it's the same. Okay, so next I'll put the bracket back in for the fire extinguisher. No, I won't. I'll put the seat in. Because that might foul. I'll put both the front seats in. No, I won't. Trying to figure out what the easiest order is, because the seats will be in the way for the plastic trim as well. Maybe the plastic trim should go in next. I'm going to get it.